Let's go!
Hello, everybody. This is Ken Brooks, and I am with Stephen Dagg. Stephen, here we are at our year-end report. It's December 20th today, 2018. And this is actually your second year-end report because you started with us in 2016. So we have seen him come through in December of 2016, December of 2017, and in December of 2018. And I'm happy to report that Stephen really, at this time, it's your best year-end report ever. I mean, when you and it's not like Stephen, his whole year has been more of a maintenance year. He's had good numbers all year long, but as we look at your year-end report, it's just really the best that he has been. And just goes to show that he has created a lifestyle he is maintaining. Give us some of the keys that you think that's kind of helped you, kind of create this lifestyle for yourself and have these kind of numbers that you have right now.
It's just getting the consistency. To me, the key is consistency. 6 days a week. It's non-negotiable. And the odd time, I might get 4 or 5, but on the average, 6 is my goal. Cardio has to be done, and I've started to pick up on some strength training because I think I'm about to turn 60 in a couple months, and I can just see the muscle mass. And I'm with Coach Ken, I'm watching the numbers start to increase over the couple of years that I've been here. I've increased some muscle mass, so I want to put some effort into that. And yeah, it was more of a maintenance year for me, but it was more of a consistency. I was up and down in the year before that, and the numbers reflected that.
Hey, and don't kid yourself now. It's not like Stephen has just got all this time just to focus in on his health. I mean, he has he's done the traveling. He has done life has happened to him where some personal things have happened. Anyway, the thing I would say is, as we've talked about, he has just kind of learned that when I do this for a certain cycle, this happens to my body. And if I do it this way, this happens to my body. Talk about that a little bit, how you've just kind of learned about, really you're kind of becoming your own health and wellness expert, which is really our goal for you because you should know your body better than anybody, right?
Yeah. And yeah, you can see the numbers when you're strict on the plan. But again, I'm trying to be realistic. We're human beings. We have a life that comes at us every day, and it's full of challenges. I've got a 20-year-old and a 13-year-old child, so I'm still raising kids and putting one through college, and we were taking care of my mother-in-law, which is what Ken was referring to, who had dementia, and working, and I work in Canada. I travel a lot, so yeah, it's but the goal was, this is my what it's become is my rock. So the workout. So with all the other stressors in life, this is my go-to. It's become my go-to. I've made that mandatory, and I start the day with it. I mean, I get up. If I have to go to meetings early, I just get up earlier. And I know some people are at night. Wherever you create the time, I've just found in the morning, the consistency is much better in the morning.
Yeah, some people, they don't do the morning, they don't get it done, and so you just got to make it work right there. So, why don't you go ahead and give us your numbers right now? As we end this year report, and as you kind of look down where your body fat is, your hydration, and your muscle, and then here would be your overall fat change to that. Why don't you just give us your numbers there, and then just kind of let the people know that, hey, I'm just not making this up right now,
Yeah, I started at 203 pounds, and I'm down to 184 today. My body fat was 27%. I'm down to 21 today. My hydration was 49%. I'm at 53%. My muscle mass 2.5 years ago was 34%. Now I'm at 37%. My metabolic age when I started this program was 60, and now I'm at 44. My visceral fat that I've been working hard to try and get off has gone from 14 to 11. My chest size has got smaller. My waist has come down by 5 inches. My overall fat change is 30 pounds. And that's, to me, is amazing.
It's been great. It's been great. He might be starting to surpass me. I know he's cranking it up. I don't know. I'm going to start trying to keep up with him. But we just say congratulations to Stephen and just how he has created that LT360 lifestyle, which is our goal for every client. And so we're looking forward to a great 2019 as well.
Well, we're going to have to challenge each other then, all right?
All right. We'll see you next time.